Moving on. Alrighty, so I can do this function now, and I like this name better. Display content. Let's make a commit out of that. I think there is, okay, so the comment and the rename is the only thing in here, I guess. Let's see. Yeah. So we have a comment now, and then we have the rename, and the rename, and that's it. Comment and rename display content. Okay. This, I'm not super interested in that. It's just a definition of all the different colors that there are. It uses RGBA. This is red, and the alpha channel is set to 40%. And they're all strings. I could maybe add some more colors, but I think this is fine. Get rainbow color takes in an index, and then it performs a mod on the count of the. Yeah, that's. I think I'll. Sure, I can do that. I can do a commentary on that. Okay, so we got get the number of rainbow colors. Count rainbow colors. Alrighty. And we can go back here and refresh. Try out, we've got all the different rainbow colors. That seems to be working correctly. There's still an issue right here. This form is rotated 90 degrees, and I don't know quite where that information needs to be grabbed. Anyway, let's try. Go back here and go. Let me make this slightly bigger. Okay. So we want to take index mod rainbow colors dot length. This is what the JavaScript would look like. Let's try doing that. Okay, so mod index and the count of rainbow colors. Okay, double check that. I really need to write some tests and just auto run the tests. Okay, that all seems good. We got rainbow colors going on. Let's go back. Get rainbow color takes in an index. All right, so same thing. I almost did the same thing as I did for display content, where I skipped one last line assigning this this let right here. I almost skipped this nth, the very first line of the function. Okay, so get the nth color from rainbow colors where get the index color from rainbow colors with wrap around, I guess is how I might phrase that. Let's take these comments. Okay, so we want to do nth on rainbow colors. Actually, if I do nth right now, nth, does it show me? It does. Okay, so down here, oh, it goes away as soon as I move my mouse. Down at the very bottom, I'm not going to move my mouse, but down at the very, very bottom where it says core.cljs, underneath that it says cljs.core/nth call and n. So collection. So for I was looking that up to see what order the arguments go in. First is the collection, and then is the index that we want to get out of that collection. So the collection is rainbow colors, and the index is mod index by count rainbow colors, and that all seems like it should go on one line. It's a pretty good function right there. Go back to the browser, refresh. How we doing? Looks good. Cool. Go back to the text editor. How we doing on time? We got another 7 minutes. All right. I don't really see an improvement to be had here, and I don't think I want these comments. I feel like I understand what's going on here just by looking at the code. All right, so we're defining an app's global state and selection mode. Okay, so we're making an atom that has the key associations, selected field, current page data, a map that has associations, selected field, selected field, current page data, and then it looks like it has here the thing associated with associations is going to be another map. The thing associated with selected field is nil, but it's going to look like this. Another map that has page num field index and field, and then current page data starts off as nil, and then it doesn't say anything about what's going to be in there. These two comments on this line and this line, 27 and 28, are not comments that I wrote. The AI wrote that. All right, so we're gonna create an atom with a value of a map with the above keys. Yeah, I don't super know how to comment this. I guess I could comment like what exactly associations is about. Keep track of field name, so input and text labels associated with input. That's what associations does. Then we have selected field. When I click on something in the web page, so like this input field, if I click on it, now we're in a different state. If I move my mouse around, the highlighting no longer follows it. Now if I click on something else, I'm saying, if I click on some text, I'm saying that that text is associated with that input field. So if I click there, these two things are now associated with each other. And so we're in a mode, because I clicked on this input, anything else that I click on becomes associated with this input until I click on something else. Now we're no longer in that mode. You can see as I hover my mouse over different things, they do various colors. So that's what this selected field is talking about. So it tells us which input field is currently active, and we can identify the current field by page number and field index, and I guess the field itself also gets stored here. Not sure why. Alrighty. And finally, current page data. Current page data keeps track of which page is current page. I don't know. Maybe this will be a number. Current page data. Oh. Looks like it's just not used. Wait, is it used in, maybe it's used in extract? No? Oh, okay. So maybe we can just get rid of this. Uh, yeah. Okay, I'll try that out. Um, so I've just added some comments so I need to refresh. I'm not using any of the fancy stuff where I can automatically reload the page or have it recompile and redo the state as it was. It looks like it still functions uh, just like it did when I had all when I added all these before I added all these comments. Let me try just removing this and see what happens. So I remove that field and then I'll hit refresh. It looks like I can still do that. So I think that was just a mistake. Let's go to page 2 and see if I can do this. Can I do this? Yeah, it looks like I can do this. So I can still associate inputs. Let's see, 19, and then go here, there, and then click elsewhere to exit that mode. Yeah, it looks like that field was just extra. Well, that's cool. So, and that's a good place to stop. So, to recap, I took out the field page. I don't even remember what it was. Current page data. And now if I'll go ahead and save that. Uh, let's see if I can make a commit out of that. So I'll add the commentary and then, yeah, I did in fact remove that field. Comment and let's see, move current page data from app state and comment app state. Alrighty.